My name is Vicente and I'm from Moorpark, California. I have a family-owned business. It's a body shop. It's called Moorpark Auto Collision. I grew up working on cars and I kind of wanted to expand a little bit more the family business, so I came here to Ding King. Yes, we knew some Dent Wizard guides, some cosmetic people, and I just grew on. I love doing body work, so I want to speed up the process by doing a little bit of PDR, and you can never stop learning things. I've chose Ding King because they were one of the only schools out here. I looked at their reviews and they were honestly one of the best in the whole country. It goes from simple as PDR to ceramic coating to many other things in the car industries, and I really love that sky was the limit here. Day number 6 now. I love it. It's very difficult right now actually working on a car. The first day was, it wasn't too bad because I'm used to, working on cars, doing body work. So the hard part that I found in that was finding my tool under the light. But other than that, it was smooth the first 3 days. And then now working on the car, it's like, you got the car to think about, the value of the car. It's a customer's car, so you really gotta, put your mind to it and make sure you're putting the tool in the right spot, without damaging it. Most important, I think, is having the right tool for the right dent. You don't want to have something so pointy to do something that, or something so sharp to pull out a dent that's so, wide, because then if you don't know how to use it, you're going to put some high spots in it and, you can crack the paint and so on. I honestly love this class. The staff here are wonderful. They really help you out, and I'm hoping to come back to do some more classes, in a few months, to see where I'm at again. So far, so good. I think I'm on the right path. Doing really good, but still, you can never be perfect. Thank you, Ding King.